Welcome to Mirror Crash Course. In this course, you will learn how to design your own guided reflection process inside ChatGPT. We call this process a mirror. A mirror is a structured dialogue made up of questions and exercises revolving around a specific theme. Each step of the mirror process deepens reflection on the specific topic. At the end of working through the strategic questions and exercises, you'll generate what we call a reflection file. The reflection file is a structured document that includes all of your answers to the questions, along with a preloaded prompt that tells ChatGPT what to do with the file. You paste the reflection file right back into ChatGPT, and it begins a deeper dialogue on your answers, highlighting patterns, asking strategic questions, and offering actionable steps you can take to improve your mindset, habits, or processes around the theme you chose. This is a powerful way of engaging with ChatGPT that can be used by coaches for better serving their clients, entrepreneurs for creating a better business strategy, or individuals for deepening self-reflection, habit forming, and mindset. By the end of this course, you will have designed and run your first mirror inside ChatGPT. You'll understand how to generate reflection files and how to use them to track your progress, whether in client sessions, improving your business, or transforming your life. You'll also learn how to write the preloaded prompt that's included in your reflection file. If you choose, you will learn how to design and customize your mirror in an interactive exercise inside a platform called Framer, where it functions as a polished app that you can return to as a live journal or a hub for your business or clients. Mirrors can be designed around many themes. You can use them to surface limiting beliefs, generate content ideas, run structured coaching intakes, design client-specific methods for challenges they're facing, or even map the systems that support your business. Because the format is so adaptable, a mirror can serve both personal and professional purposes. A mirror creates continuity. The reflection file captures your reflection in a format that ChatGPT can continue using. When you paste a new file into a session, the system can interpret your earlier answers, ask clarifying questions again, and propose new strategies. Yes, you can run the same mirror more than once. Each run builds on the last, so the dialogue gains depth every time. A mirror also creates what we call recursion in ChatGPT itself, making your dialogue with it generate even better outputs, avoid system drift, and build better systems within ChatGPT that it actually remembers because it's running on consistent, repeated structure. In software, recursion describes a function that calls itself in order to build a result step by step. In this context, recursion means you bring that reflection file from one chat session into the next, and ChatGPT uses it as foundation for further dialogue. This keeps the process consistent and allows for layered growth and transformation tracking. This course moves in a clear sequence. First, you'll learn what a mirror is and how it works. Then, you'll choose the right theme for your mirror through discovery. Next, you will build your mirror in phases, connect it to a reflection file, and add the preloaded instruction that tells ChatGPT how to interpret it. You will have the option to design your mirror in Framer for a polished interactive interface. You will then run your mirror for the first time, generate the reflection file, and finally refine the system so that it fits the needs of you or your clients. Before continuing on to the next module, take a moment and ask yourself, where could a tool like this serve me right now? In my own self-reflection or in my work with my clients or my business? Write down the first thought that comes up. You will return to it later in this course. Let's get started.